This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the problem. Make a duplicate named File Corrupt Backup, SKP, and never overwrite the original. Next, collect related files, auto backups, any, SKB, and previous versions because they often contain intact geometry. Once done, ensure you have the correct Sketchup version installed. Mismatched versions cause load failures. Make sure to disable extensions temporarily, since plugins can crash the load process. This first sweep prevents further damage and gives you multiple recovery points to try in the next steps. You now attempt recovery. Open the backup in the matching Sketchup release. If open fails, use File Import to bring geometry into a blank model. If model opens partially, purge unused items and save incremental copies to lock each successful state. When groups or components prevent edits, explode selectively and reassemble. This recovers corrupted containers. Also extract textures and assets from backup files and drag components into a fresh file so you rebuild structure without inherited corruption. You finish by cleaning and validating. Use model info statistics to purge and repair, reducing triangles and stray edges so performance is stable. Once clean, export to Collada or DWG and re-import to flatten any hidden corruption, then save a new clean, SKP. If problems remain, try third-party recovery tools like the Sketchup repair plugins or RX tools and experiment with renaming. SKB2. SKP as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: always work from a copy to avoid permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.